Hey YouTube, we're in a temporary apartment while they work on our stairs on my building. Here's a General Electric power box, switch box thing, and a tape to hold it in, which we're gonna remove. Ooh, better not remove the tape. Okay, but yeah, we had tape in there to secure it well. Okay, well, yeah, the tape that was on there. Okay, and well, you can see the switches, General Electric stuff, and all the wiring diagram and stuff, all that stuff, all the good stuff. And then these are unknown switches. I don't know what company made these, but yeah. So here's the General Electric stuff. General Electric parts. Here's the water heater. Let me turn off the built-in light on the phone. Then here we have our water heater, made in the good old US of A. Then here's the heat meter, the power indicator, or standby. Standby indicator. Let's turn on the lights so you can kind of see that a little better. Okay. Turn on the phone's light so you get a better look at it. Yep. So here we have the water heater. Then here we have, it says tankless water heater, champion model. Okay. Then we'll just get a look at that. Turn off the light. Yep. Okay, and then turn it back on. Okay. And then, yeah, let me just the little one. Yeah, and then here's the huh? Yeah.
Where you got the siren from?
It was in the closet, the cabinet.
Oh, here's the one in the cabinet.
Okay. Ouch. So, you have the little cap, the light. Maybe we can show you the light in there now. Yeah, it's a little light. Yeah, I know, I'm a little weird. Okay, here it says, warning, disconnect power before servicing. And then there's the ventilation, cold inlet, hot outlet. And then there's the cap back on there to show you what it looks like again. Okay, yep. Side view. Okay. So yes, now I'm going to show you the heating indicator. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so you can really see that. So, yeah. So yeah, this is the water heater in our temporary apartment. Okay, I'll just pull that out for a little bit. It looks like pulled it out. Yeah, and then sorry about the nails again. I gotta cut them. Then here's the stuff. Yep. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. We'll get a General Electric